Welcome. I'm here in Bangalore, India at a very special global certification training. I'm actually being trained by the founder himself, Dr. Madan Kataria, over the course of the next over the next few days in exactly this, in laughter yoga. So, Dr. Kataria, please tell us a little bit about what is laughter yoga.
Laughter yoga is a unique system of exercise where anyone can laugh for no reason. We don't need to rely on jokes, sense of humor or comedies to laugh. What we do is we laugh in a group and initiate laughter as a form of exercise in the beginning. But when we have eye contact, a little bit of childlike playfulness, the laughter turns into genuine and spontaneous laughter very quickly. Why we call it laughter yoga is a good question. It's a combination of laughter and breathing exercises from yoga, which brings in more oxygen to your body and brain, and that makes us feel more healthy, more energetic. The whole idea of laughter yoga is based on the scientific studies which show that there is no difference between real laughter or fake laughter. Even if you are pretending to laugh or you're laughing genuinely, your body cannot make the difference. Your mind knows it, you're pretending. So you get the same physiological and biochemical changes.
That's fantastic. So whether it's real laughter or fake laughter, you're getting the benefit regardless.
I wouldn't really call it as a fake laughter. I would call it laughter exercises.
That's right. Okay. So, as the laughter guru, what is your earliest memory of laughter in your life?
Okay, before I answer that question, I would like to say that everyone knows that laughter is the best medicine.
Right.
And it has many health benefits. Even a lot of scientific studies have proven it. But question is, what kind of laughter is beneficial? Now, laughter is beneficial only if you laugh at least for 10 to 15 minutes. It should be a sustained laughter, only then you get health benefits. Otherwise, laughing naturally few seconds here and there won't really give you the health benefits or some changes in your body. So there is no way we can get sustained laughter 10-15 minutes. So that is why laughter yoga is a unique delivery system which actually delivers the benefits of laughter, because we are laughing longer, we are breathing deeply, and this is how we get benefits.
Fantastic. It sounds like it's really a daily routine that you want to invite into your life, and only then will you reap the benefits of this amazing practice.
So regarding my earliest memory of laughter, I remember the real laughter I was experiencing when I was a child. In my early childhood, I was brought up in a small village, and for me, playing with my toys, playing with my small children group, and that's I remember that we just laughed and we have no idea. I've not heard about something like sense of humor for so many years,
Right.
but I laughed when I was born.
You laughed when you were born. It's true. Yeah. And I really see that. So we're on day 3 of our teacher training here in Bangalore. And you talk a lot about bringing that inner child out by singing, playing, dancing. And it's really that sense of joy that we're able to experience again, that inner child. And I've seen that. I've witnessed that in you so many times in the last 48 hours. That spark in your eyes and that joyous laughter. So I love that. Now, what about, when I go back to the busy, stressful North American life or wherever you are in the world, stress comes in. Yeah. So what are the benefits of bringing laughter into corporate environments and into the boardroom?
In the corporate environment, in companies and corporations, I believe that stress is number one killer. And people are always searching for some best solutions for stress management. I must say there are several options available for the people in the corporate world to manage stress, but there is nothing like laughter yoga. Number one, quick results. You laugh, you get stress release immediately. It's called instant yoga. One can feel the benefits from the very first session. Second, it's cost effective. You don't need to spend much money, so it's a group therapy. So many people can be done in just one setting.
Right.
but provided you need at least 10-15 minutes.
Okay.
Then it's scientifically proven. Now we have more than 12 universities testifying that this method actually works.
Excellent. So scientific evidence.
And anyone can laugh because you don't need to depend on jokes, sense of humor or comedies. So this is a system which allows practically everyone to laugh.
So can you try that? Can you give us one good example maybe of an exercise that we can bring into the corporate environment?
Okay, laughter yoga actually is a system where we do laughter as an exercises in a group setting, but I'll show you some of the exercises we do. And our philosophy is fake it until you make it.
Right.
So you just pretend to laugh and soon it becomes real laughter very soon. You join me?
Absolutely.
Okay, there you go. It sounds a bit weird. You may feel a bit uncomfortable faking laughter in the beginning, but soon it turns into real genuine laughter. You know, before you know, you start just laughing for real. So laughter yoga is more like a training yourself to laugh.
Right.
So it's like you repeat couple of times and then it becomes part of your habit. So you want to laugh, you just join this laughter yoga classes. So you can learn by yourself.
Yes.
And we have several exercises. One of my favorite laughter exercise for the corporate world, especially for the business people, is called credit card bill laughter. So you spend some money on the credit card. So you just received a bill for your Visa card or maybe MasterCard. So you look at your bill and show it. It's not funny.
Excellent.
I think this is actually when you're laughing out, you're exhaling a bit longer and you remove all the stale air from your lungs, and which is replaced by fresh air which brings in more oxygen to your brain. And it's very important from business point of view. If your brain has more oxygen, you'll be more effective, your efficiency, your energy level goes up, you can work more than you normally do.
Well, Dr. Kataria, thank you so much. Thank you for bringing more laughter into the world. And I look forward as your newly trained laughter instructor to take this into corporate environments.
Just to tell you, this Tanya has been trained by me and almost we are finishing up this training. She's an excellent laughter yoga teacher and we're bringing more laughter into Canada. And all I want to say that, oh Canada, where's your laughter gone? She's going to bring back this your laughter in Canada.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Dr. Kataria.
Oh, 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 oh.